We're now going to test out some basic HTML codes, and the best way to do this is have both the text document and the HTML document open in an actual browser in order to see the changes every time we save. So by default, my HTML document is going to open in a browser. Okay, and here it is here where we left off last time. So in order to open it as a text document as well, I just right click on it, open with, okay, and we'll go Notepad. Okay, and there's the actual code. So I'm going to put the code on the left and I'm going to put my browser on the right. Okay, so the same document is open, just in two different programs. Okay, when testing out my actual codes, all I'm going to be doing is changing what's between my body tags for these basic HTML codes. So the first one will be just using a center tag. So what I'm going to do is put in center. Okay, that will begin the tag, and in order to stop my text that follows from being centered, /center. Okay, save it, and then I'll reload this page. Okay, and the text has been centered there. Okay, next one I'll do is a heading. So I'm going to do H1. This is a heading 1, and I'll end that tag. And just so you can compare, I'll do a H2 as well. So I might just copy the code directly, and I'll change all the 1s to 2. So 2, 2, and 2. And maybe I'll do it one more time so you can also see a level 3 heading. 3, 3, 3. So basically by ending each tag and then beginning the new tag, you'll get to see the different levels of headings and how big the fonts and styles change. Okay, so this is a heading 1, this is a heading 2, this is a heading 3. Okay, they all have different emphasis on the different headings. Okay, but they can also all be anchored if I was going to put in anchors into my page. Okay, so that's the importance of using headings and how easy it is to enter them. The next one I'll show you is changing the background color. So I might leave these headings here and I'll put the background color one just above all my headings. So in order to a background color one, it is body background, BG color equals, open my quotation marks, and I'm going to go for the color yellow, FFFF00. Okay, so that's made up of a hexadecimal number. Save it, let's reload. Okay, now my background color is yellow. And the last thing I'm going to do is bring in an image. And what I might do is put the image after my third heading. So I'm going to go after my third heading and use my image code, which is img space src equals. Now my image is saved within a media folder, which is what we do when we create websites. We save our media into subdirectories. So if we look in here, the image name is systemunit.png. So I've got to firstly identify the actual folder it's saved in. So it will be media / systemunit.png. Close quotation mark and close the tag. All right, now, as you with the body background color, the image tag does not need an actual /image, okay, in order to close the tag. So let's save it. And there's my image on the page. Okay, so that's just a few of the basic codes. Okay, there's a number of other basic codes for you to try out as well. Having the actual HTML open side by side with the browser and being able to save it and then test it is the best way to try out HTML codes. So give them all a try and see how you go.